I'm going to show you how to make a Mauritian meat curry. As you may know, it's my second time making it. I made it once before, but unfortunately I filmed it and lost all the footage on my laptop. I've made a biryani as well, which I'll link in an end card at the end of this video. That the biryani is a bit more complicated. The meat curry is more simple to make. I'm making a few recipes as time goes, as well as filming holidays. But when there's no major holidays, I'm just enjoying a bit of cooking. So if you want more recipes like this meat curry today, just click on subscribe, and every so often I'll put a nice recipe to cook. The first thing you need to do is get two onions and a garlic, and peel and slice them. Okay, use your small knife to peel and cut your onions and garlic, and then also to remove these heads off the onions and your ends off the garlic, and discard of all your rubbish. Okay, I've cut the heads off my garlic, off my onions, and the ends off my garlic. The first thing you need to do is just cut them into quarters. Once cut into quarters, slice your onions and transfer them into a small dish. I've got my ready crushed pre-prepared ginger. Right, I've sliced onions and transferred them into a container, and then, as you can see, my eyes are burning. And the next thing to do, we're going to use some muscle power and pound the garlic. We are now going to pound the garlic. We've pounded our garlic. Here we've got all our prepared ingredients: our sliced onions, our pounded garlic and ginger, and we've got some fresh curry leaves to add to the flavour. Add some water with some curry powder and mix it well to form a paste. Now we are ready for our cooking. Heat some oil until hot. Then add all of your ingredients to fry. Fry all your ingredients. Add your curry powder after the ingredients and keep on stirring. Add your meat and leave to cook for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, as your meat has already been pre-cooked. To thicken the sauce, I'm just going to add some tomato to it. Add some tomato to thicken your sauce and garnish with coriander, and then add some salt as well. Add some salt according to your taste. Wash and chop your coriander and add to your meat curry. Do this at the end, and it also gives your meat curry a nice finishing touch and look. Garnish with your chopped coriander for your finishing touch and taste. Serve your meat curry with either rice or roti, chapati and a salad, and enjoy. Bon appetit. Enjoy your meal. If you want to learn how to cook a chicken biryani as well, which I done earlier, just click the video showing up on your screen now. I'm not sure which side it's on. It's either on this side or this side. And if you click on the small colourful lizard in a circle on your screen, it'll automatically subscribe you to my channel.